Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Trello board. Ladies and gentlemen, you've just created a Trello account and now you want to create a board, and there's numerous ways of doing this. Now let's jump straight in. On the top right hand side you will actually see a create button, and here you can click on create, and here you can create a board, and this will be completely from scratch, or you can start with a template. So let us go and create a board completely from scratch. Here you can choose your background. You can also choose the color of your background. You can choose your board title. You can choose your visibility. So this is my workspace, and everyone within this workspace will be able to see this board that I'm creating. If I choose the workspace option, I can make it private, and then I can also make it public, meaning anybody on the internet will be able to access this board. And really, there's very few use cases to actually use that option. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and say workspace, and we're going to say board title. We're just going to say board 1, and we can say create. Now, once it is created, this is what it looks like. It is quite simple, and now you can start creating lists to organize yourself. Now, let's say we want to create a board by using, let's just go back here. Let's say we want to create a board by using a template. So let's say start with a template. And here you can see there are a bunch of templates, but if you are sort of not finding what you're looking for there, click on explore templates. On the left, you can see literally tons of templates. And let's just go ahead and look for a design template over here. And here you can look through different templates and see what actually works for you. Now, whichever one you'd like, all you have to do is simply click on it, and you can click on the use template. You can give it a name. Let's just say board 2. You can keep the cards that are in there. You can also keep the template cards, and then you can say create. And this is what it'll look like. Okay, so we've got our background. It's very different, and then we've got all of our lists. These are our lists, and inside each list we have cards, which if you click on, you can actually just edit completely. There's so many things you can add in over here. All right, you click on add. There's a bunch of stuff that you can add in onto each one of those cards. You can just click away, and there we go. We've got a brand new board. That's 2 ways of creating boards within Trello.